Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to make a girl miss you in just 3 steps. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest videos, hit the bell icon for notifications, and like the video to show me you like it. So, making a girl miss you is a skill in its own right, and isn't really as straightforward as ignoring all her messages, as you need to not only control her, but also your own emotions. You can very easily turn into a simp if you're not careful, which is what girls absolutely hate. But what girls also hate, and will automatically move on, is when you blatantly ignore them, then talk to them as someone like a backup, which is what can give the wrong message out. Girls aren't like guys. They can easily move on usually when someone doesn't put in the effort. The exact message you should be giving out is that she can't live without you. That's the key. So, in this video, I'll be going over how to exactly balance that. No simping, but also no awkward encounters of her thinking she's the backup. So, let's get on to the first tip. 1. Pull her heartstrings. Firstly, you've got to pull her heartstrings to create some sort of connection to make her miss you in the first place. Otherwise, you'll just be another stranger out on the street. You can't make someone miss you without a connection, firstly. It's really that simple. So, pull the strings by talking about things you both like and have some deep, meaningful conversations and opinions about those topics. Make her feel like there's no one else that can compare to you, like doing something personal only for her. Again, don't simp this, but something very simple, like making a personalized meme or inside joke would do fine. So, tell her jokes, your opinions in life. Don't hide anything. Let it out, and create that genuine connection. Treat her like an actual human, as all acts of kindness will always be remembered and possibly pull those strings. This isn't simping, it's just being a sociable being. Make sure to make her laugh with jokes and slight sarcasm. This is the most fundamental part of making a girl miss you, as if there's no string between you two, then there's nothing to break when you go to the next steps. 2. Don't talk to her all the time. Hopefully, once you have that connection, she'll feel something about you and want to talk to you more often. Other people will say that you have to stop talking to her altogether to really make her miss you. But I found, when I was younger, that talking to her at a time that suits me rather than hers works more effectively. When you completely ignore her, you're just saying you're no longer interested in her, which then she'll move on to the next guy cutting contact from you. When you do message her after being AWOL, she'll just feel like the rebound girl, which is not what you want, and she'll think you'll do it again, therefore avoiding you at all costs. So, message and talk to her, but make it a bit harder by talking when you can rather than sacrificing your own time and activities to satisfy her times. If you've liked it so far, can you make sure to smash the like button and subscribe? 3. So, say you two have been talking for a few days or weeks, and you think she may be the one, but you have the vibes that she may not think the same. One way to make her feel like she can't live without you is simply doing shit without her. So, going kayaking, hiking, and walks without her permission, then putting something on your Instagram story or bring it up the next time you two text or meet. Then she'll be wondering what you did without her. You'll have that mysteriousness about yourself which really makes her gravitate, as she'll be wondering what could you possibly be doing without, and making her feel like you don't need her in your life, but rather, she needs you in hers. She'll feel like you're enjoying life without her, and she'll want to be a part of it. The more you do without her, the more she'll miss you. It's just playing the jealousy emotion at the end of the day, as well as the heartstrings. It's like when you see your crush going out, then you have that mindset of what she's doing, going, and who they're with. You get that sudden heart-sinking feeling, and want to be with her more and more, which really sums up my college life, so don't worry. It happens even to the best of us. In conclusion, you'll see the main thing about making a girl miss you is that you've got to make her feel like she's missing out on something about you. That's made up by making that genuine connection. If you don't really know how to talk to a girl, then I recommend the video on the card in the top right corner of the screen now to watch that to get your game going. She'll hopefully then FOMO into you and even simp for you, to where you two will find that right balance and eventually call yourselves a couple. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to keep up with the latest videos.